You hit me like a winter storm, speaks brighter than all this lightning. Your sparks, they light the sky. So won't you come back, throw me like a car crash. I'm waiting for your impact. Until you're here, I'm only wasting time. Because I've seen enough now to know I've changed the pattern of the storm. I've seen enough now to know. Spin me around, knock me off my feet. Try to stay dry, but you rain on me. You know you can be my hurricane. Blow me away, pick me off the ground. Try to stay dry, but I just might drown. Honey, you can be my hurricane. From the first step and the closer I get, sirens scream in my head, like watching a fire when it meets the flood. Because I've seen enough now to know I've changed the pattern of the storm. I've seen enough now to know I've seen enough to know back. Spin me around, knock me off my feet. Try to stay dry, but you rain on me. You know you can be my hurricane. Blow me away, pick me off the ground. Try to stay dry, but I just might drown. Honey, you can be my hurricane. Your voice is thicker than air, lost like a diamond in Times Square. Cold and alone, lost at sea, till you lift me up and let me breathe. When the sky is dark and everyone's inside, I'll be waiting there until your storm collides.
I can't stop thinking about you.
You know you can be mine. Spin me around, knock me off my feet. Try to stay dry, but you rain on me. Yeah. You know you can be my hurricane. So blow me away, pick me off the ground. I try to stay dry, but I just might drown.
Nothing has changed.
Everything's changed.